When an agent makes a change, you'll want to review it, run it, and see it. The good news is that you can do all three without leaving the app. Normally, those three jobs would mean bouncing between your editor, a terminal window, and a web browser. Here, they live side by side as built-in panels, so checking an agent's work is quick, instead of a chore. Let's tour them one at a time. A diff shows exactly what changed, with additions in green and deletions in red, so nothing is a mystery. If you're new to the word, a diff is simply a before and after comparison, the lines that were added, removed, or changed, usually colored so they jump out. And you're not just a passive reader. You can accept changes, leave comments, or ask Copilot to adjust. This is where you stay the decision maker, and nothing is final until you say so. Now, reading code is good, but running it is better. The terminal panel lets you run commands right inside the session. If a terminal looks intimidating, relax. Here, you're mostly just running the project's own commands and reading the results. For Tailspin Toys, I'll start the app. We can do it here by hand, or we can configure it as a script and then always have it available with the Run button. So here, I've added the dev server script that opens the client folder and then runs npm run dev. If we click Run, this will start the server for the website. So the Run action opened a new terminal window, but we still have our existing terminal window as another tab, so we can jump back if we want to continue running commands. For anything with a user interface, the browser panel closes the loop. Tailspin Toys is a website, so I can open it and actually use the new feature the same way a real user would. Here, if I wanted to keep iterating, I can use the Pick and Polish tool to select this element and then continue to work with the agent because I've added it as context. So now we can run our dev server again after I've made any changes, and then we'd be able to see the fix. So we were able to review the diff, run it in the terminal, and see it in the browser, and immediately iterate over it to get a working sort feature. There's no tab hopping, no switching apps, no losing your place. That's the tight loop and the whole point. The faster you can go from change to confidence, the more comfortable you'll be letting agents help. Once we're happy, we can accept the change right here and create a PR and move on. Having review, run, and preview side by side is exactly what makes agent-made changes feel safe instead of scary, because you've seen the proof with your own eyes. Together, these built-in panels answer the three questions you should always ask about an agent's work. What changed? Does it run? And does it actually work? Make this your habit. Next time an agent edits your code, open the diff, run the tests, and preview it live before you accept. Give it a try with GitHub Copilot app at gh.io/app.